ACHR stock analysis. Is it a buy? Is it not? I'm going to show you my exact play in this very short 1-minute video. How I'm going to trade this. I mean, I am the only guy in this stock trading space that has done 40,000 videos and actually seen what's making me money and what's not. Even with ACHR, man, like even if I come here, I have just so many receipts. It's borderline crazy. And on the most recent prediction that I got was also correct in the lower time frame, which again, phenomenal. I mean, there you go, man. Like 22 hours back, and yeah, it's good. It's just made yesterday, so that's good. Just gonna actually copy this link as well, just so I have it close to my hand. And I'm just waiting for this to deliver towards the highs. And if you want to learn how I'm making this, how I'm making 5-10K per month with our indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails and insights because it's free. And I also, like with ACHR, I just have so many receipts here as well. See you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy. It's like nothing that I will add here other than just being patient and even adding more if it does manage to correct down. But I'll keep you updated nonetheless. Stay tuned.